Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Leo. This is mid-month reading June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Leo, your recent past. So let's see your recent past. The World, 10 of Wands, 3 of Swords. Separation, definitely there is separation in past. The cycles are going to be end. Definitely one cycle is already ended in your relationship. You person or you could be feeling very exhausted, heartbroken. Definitely one person in this relationship, and there is separation also. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Cycles are ended already. Okay, let's see what is going on your connection right now. 9 of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, 9 of Cups. One person in this relationship stand by their power and happy by being single. Definitely they gain strength and they act and they gain strength. They are happy, but there is a communication is coming in your way. Ace of Swords, new beginnings. Definitely you are their wish fulfillment, or there is your wish fulfillment. Definitely one person want this connection and want a new beginning. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Your person near future actions towards you. Page of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Emperor. Wow. Things are turning in your favor finally. Your person want to apologize you what they did to you in past. Page of Cups, messages coming in your way, communication. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor finally. Leo, the Emperor. Your person now turning into Emperor. They want to offer commitment now. After the separation, I think they know your worth. They missing you. Then when they miss you, they know your worth. That is happening in the separation. So let's pull some cards from universe. Your person want to offer commitment, Leo. Wow, see the Empress and 2 of Cups. One person in this connection stand by their power. I think it is lady in this connection. Wow, the Fool and 5 of Wands. Yes, the disputes are going to be settled definitely after the communication. And the Fool, there is a brand new beginning. Your person want to take leap of faith. And 2 of Cups, definitely there is love between both of you. The Empress, I think it is you stand by your power. The Empress, I think it is more attractive. When you stand by your power, definitely your person will attract you, and your person want to apologize and want to offer long-term commitment. They want a brand new beginning with you. They want second chance with you. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.